So guys, you all need is toothpaste and baking soda and a lot of patience. Summer down the road. Hey guys, good morning. As you know, we've already welcomed Leslie. Sorry, I'm still having my hiccup. I already drank a lot of water, but still not going. So we've bought Leslie, and now my boo is trying to clean the headlights. And we are actually trying the toothpaste and the baking soda tricks. So let's see how it works, guys. Okay, so that's Leslie. Alright. And that's my boo cleaning. How is it going? Is it effective? Yay! See that? That yellowish in there. So slowly it's removing the stain. So guys, you all need is toothpaste and baking soda and a lot of patience. And since I don't have that, so my boo is doing all these tricks now. So you've got a spray. Is it only water? And it's only water. Look guys, the weather here is so hot. See the sweat. So, you know, before it looked like this. Like really foggy with some yellowish, like I don't know if it's inside, but I guess some of it are like on the outer part, because as you've seen on the, can I see the toothpaste? As you've seen on the toothpaste, see that's yellow part in there. I wish it wasn't the paint. It's not the paint, right? Yellow thing there. So there you go. We are getting ready also for today's event. Yeah, we are going to St. Mary's and we'll try to book an appointment for the car blessing. So yes, we would like to have a car blessing for Leslie before we actually go all over UAE. There you go. Let me know guys, what else can we add, because we are actually planning to buy a wing. I'm not very good at cars, my boo is, so he was planning to buy a wing and put it in here. So let me know what other idea do you have. There. Alright guys, that's it for now, and I'll update you later until my hiccup is gone.
80,000 impressions later.